Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make the most delicious pork humba, a Filipino braised pork belly dish. We'll focus on a method that guarantees tender meat and a rich, balanced sauce. This recipe is a true family favorite, combining sweet, savory, and tangy flavors. Get ready to create a dish that will impress everyone at your table, using simple yet impactful ingredients. The first crucial step is marinating our pork belly to infuse it with flavor. Combine the pork with soy sauce, vinegar, and pineapple juice, letting it rest for about 30 minutes. This short marinade is perfect for tenderizing without over-acidifying. Next, we'll brown the pork in a hot pot, rendering some of its delicious fat and creating a beautiful golden crust. Then, we'll sauté our aromatics, 1 onion and 5 cloves of garlic, building a fragrant base for our sauce. Now it's time for the magic of slow simmering. Return the reserved marinade to the pot, along with 1 teaspoon of whole peppercorns and 2 bay leaves. Add 1 to 2 cups of water, just enough to mostly cover the pork. Cover the pot and let it gently simmer for 45 to 60 minutes, allowing the pork to become incredibly tender. Towards the end, we'll introduce 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and 2 tablespoons of salted black beans, balancing the flavors beautifully. For the grand finale, we'll add 1/2 cup of dried banana blossoms, simmering for another 5 to 8 minutes to incorporate their unique texture and flavor. Then, remove the lid and continue to cook, allowing the rich sauce to reduce and thicken to your preference. Always taste and adjust the seasoning with a little salt if needed. Your perfectly tender and flavorful pork humba is now ready to be served. Enjoy this comforting dish with plenty of hot, steamed rice.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.